Here is a wonderful 2021 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering.